Have you ever wondered if AI is just a buzzword? Think again. Did you know it's a goldmine for remote jobs? And some of them pay over $100,000 a year? Whether you're a tech whiz or just curious, wouldn't you like to know which AI careers are fast-growing and could launch your future? And guess what? No degree needed for some. Ready to dive in? First up, artificial intelligence engineer. Ever wondered what they do? How about earning a median salary of over $106,000? And did you know top earners can hit $156,000? Impressive, right? In this role, you'll design AI models and improve machine learning algorithms. Sounds exciting? Got coding skills? This could be your path. Ready to dive in? Next up, AI consultants. Ever wondered who helps companies understand and use AI effectively? How much do they make? A median pay of $113,000. And guess what? You don't always need a tech degree. What do you need? Just deep understanding, experience, and confidence. Ever wondered who the explorers of the AI world are? Meet AI researchers. What do? They dive into deep learning and innovation. Curious about their salary? The median is $113,000, with top earners hitting $154,000. And guess what? Many of these roles are fully remote. Ever wondered what AI trainers do? Imagine teaching AIs how to behave. Sounds interesting, right? They label data, correct outputs, and fine-tune models. Curious about the pay? It's around $65,000. And the top earners make nearly $94,000. Isn't that a great entry point? Ready for the last one? How about becoming an AI product manager? These are the visionaries. Ever wondered who oversees AI projects from start to finish? Often earning up to $175,000. Think you have what it takes? It requires leadership, planning, and yes, some tech know-how. Did you know that a lot of these roles focus more on skills than degrees? Imagine coding, software development, even content moderation or writing. If you can do it, you're in. Can you believe companies like Meta and Netflix are offering insane salaries? Up to $900,000 for top AI talent? Take Jane, for example. She was a self-taught coder who started freelancing from her living room. Within 2 years, she landed a remote job at a top tech company, earning over $150K annually. Want to know her secret? Focusing on building her skills and networking online? Did you know AI isn't just taking jobs? It's creating millions of new ones. So, what are you waiting for? Ready to dive in? Pick a path? Start learning? And unlock your $100,000 remote future. Sounds exciting, right? Want guides, tips, and free resources? Who wouldn't? Subscribe now. And check the links below.